Hey everyone, it's DFGHJK here. Grocery prices keep rising, but you can still stock your fridge with healthy, affordable foods. Today, I'm sharing my top 15 budget-friendly fridge staples, nutritious, versatile, and perfect for quick meals. Stick around for tips on saving money, reducing food waste, and making meal prep easy. Let's jump right in. When it comes to stretching your grocery budget without sacrificing nutrition, eggs are truly the MVP. They're one of the most affordable sources of high-quality protein you can find, making them a staple in kitchens around the world. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just looking to save some money, eggs deliver big value for a small price. Not only are eggs budget-friendly, but they're also incredibly versatile. You can scramble them for a quick, satisfying breakfast, boil them for a protein-packed snack, or even poach or fry them for a change of pace. Eggs cook quickly, so they're perfect for busy mornings or when you need a meal in minutes. If you're feeling creative, eggs can be the star of more elaborate dishes too. Bake them into a hearty quiche loaded with veggies and cheese for a delicious dinner, or whip up an omelet with whatever leftovers you have in the fridge. The possibilities are endless, and you'll never get bored. Beyond their versatility, eggs are packed with essential nutrients. They're a great source of vitamin D, which supports bone health, and choline, which is important for brain function. Plus, they contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and a range of vitamins and minerals that help keep your body running smoothly. Hard-boiled eggs are a meal prepper's dream. You can make a big batch at the start of the week, and they'll stay fresh in the fridge for days. Grab one for a quick breakfast, toss it into a salad for lunch, or slice it onto toast for a protein boost. With just a little planning, you'll always have a healthy snack or meal component ready to go. Eggs are also easy to store and have a long shelf life, so you don't have to worry about them going bad quickly. For anyone looking to eat well on a budget, eggs are a must-have. They're nutritious, convenient, and endlessly adaptable, making them the ultimate budget-friendly kitchen staple. When you think of milk, the first thing that probably comes to mind is pouring it over a bowl of cereal in the morning. But milk is so much more than just a breakfast companion. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways throughout your day, making it a true kitchen essential. Whether you're reaching for a cold glass to drink, adding it to your favorite smoothie, or using it as a base for creamy sauces and soups, milk is a budget-friendly staple that stretches your grocery dollars. It's also a key ingredient in baking, helping to create fluffy pancakes, moist cakes, and delicious breads. Don't forget about your morning coffee or tea. Just a splash of milk can transform your drink into a comforting treat. And when it comes to cooking, milk adds richness and depth to everything from mashed potatoes to macaroni and cheese. It's the secret behind creamy gravies and velvety custards. Today, you have more choices than ever before. Both dairy and plant-based milks, like almond, oat, or soy, can be used in most recipes. To save money, consider buying larger jugs or opting for store brands, which often offer the same quality at a lower price. Beyond its versatility, milk is packed with nutrients. It's an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are important for strong bones and teeth. Many plant-based milks are also fortified with these nutrients, making them a healthy choice for everyone. From meal prep to midnight snacks, milk fits into every part of your routine. Use it to whip up a quick smoothie, add it to your oatmeal, or enjoy it with cookies as a late-night treat. Its convenience and nutrition make it a must-have for any household. So next time you open your fridge, remember, milk isn't just for cereal. It's a kitchen hero you'll want to keep on hand for every meal and snack. Cheese transforms meals with just a little bit. Think sandwiches, salads, or pasta. Buy blocks or bulk for savings, and shred or slice yourself. Cheddar, mozzarella, or feta are great choices. Use cheese for snacks, quesadillas, or grilled cheese. It lasts long and adds protein and calcium. Cheese is a budget essential for flavor and nutrition. Yogurt is affordable, versatile, and lasts longer than most dairy. Enjoy it as a snack, breakfast parfait, or sauce base. Greek yogurt is extra filling and high in protein. Buy large tubs to save money and reduce waste. Yogurt is perfect for busy mornings and healthy snacks. Carrots are one of the most affordable and versatile vegetables you can find in any grocery store. Whether you're shopping at a big supermarket or a local farmer's market, you'll almost always spot a vibrant display of carrots, their bright orange color standing out among the produce. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they're also available year-round, making them a staple in kitchens everywhere. Carrots have an impressive shelf life and can last for several weeks when stored properly in the fridge. Just pop them in the crisper drawer, and you'll have a healthy ingredient ready whenever you need it. Their durability means you don't have to worry about them spoiling quickly, which helps reduce food waste and saves you money over time. There are so many ways to enjoy carrots. You can eat them raw for a satisfying crunch, slice them into sticks for dipping, or roast them in the oven to bring out their natural sweetness. Roasted carrots develop a caramelized flavor that pairs well with herbs and spices, making them a delicious side dish for any meal. Carrots are also fantastic in cooked dishes. Add them to hearty soups and stews for extra flavor and nutrition, or toss them into stir-fries for a pop of color and crunch. They blend seamlessly into a variety of cuisines, from classic chicken noodle soup to spicy Asian stir-fries and even vegetable curries. Nutritionally, carrots are a powerhouse. They're packed with vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. Eating carrots regularly can help protect your eyes, especially in low-light conditions, and support your body's natural defenses against illness. For busy days, pre-cut carrot sticks are a lifesaver. They're perfect for tossing into lunchboxes, packing for work, or grabbing as a quick snack on the go. Pair them with hummus for a protein boost, or add them to a veggie platter for parties and gatherings. If you want to mix things up, try dipping carrot sticks in peanut butter or your favorite nut butter. The combination of sweet and savory is a hit with kids and adults alike. Carrots' natural sweetness makes them especially appealing to children, encouraging healthy snacking habits from an early age. Another great thing about carrots is that they rarely go to waste. Even if you're down to the last few veggies in your fridge, carrots are often still crisp and ready to use. And if you have scraps or peels, you can add them to homemade stocks or compost them to enrich your garden soil. With their low price, long shelf life, and endless uses, carrots are a must-have for anyone looking to stretch their grocery budget while still eating healthy, delicious meals. Next time you shop, don't forget to grab a bag of carrots. They're truly one of the best bargains in the produce aisle. Spinach is affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients like iron and vitamin K. Use it fresh or frozen in salads, smoothies, eggs, or pasta. It cooks down fast and stretches through several meals. Freeze wilted spinach for later, no waste. Bell peppers add color, crunch, and vitamin C to any meal. Eat them raw, sautéed, or stuffed for variety. Buy different colors on sale and freeze leftovers for stir-fries or soups. They brighten dishes and boost nutrition on a budget. Apples are affordable last weeks and are perfect for snacks or salads. Pair with cheese or peanut butter or bake into desserts. Full of fiber and vitamin C, they keep you energized. Use soft apples for applesauce or baking. No waste. Chicken breast is lean, affordable, and easy to cook in many ways. Grill, bake, or shred for salads, sandwiches, or tacos. Buy in bulk and freeze portions for convenience. High in protein, low in fat, and stretches across meals. Leftovers work great in wraps, soups, or casseroles. Deli turkey or ham is perfect for fast-filling meals. Use in sandwiches, wraps, or salads, and buy in bulk to save. Roll with cheese for snacks or add to eggs and pizzas. Use within a week or freeze leftovers for later. Tofu is a budget-friendly plant-based protein that absorbs any flavor. Cube and sauté, bake, or add to stir-fries and soups. Marinate for extra taste or scramble for a vegan breakfast. Store in water and change it every few days to keep fresh. Tofu is easy, affordable, and satisfying. Hummus is a healthy budget dip for sandwiches, wraps, or veggies. Made from chickpeas, it's full of protein and fiber. Buy or make your own for less. Use as a snack, spread, or salad dressing base. Keeps for a week, always have some ready. Tortillas are affordable and work for breakfast burritos, wraps, or pizzas. Fill with eggs, beans, or veggies for any meal. Bake into chips or use as a quick meal base. They last long and save fridge space. Butter or margarine is essential for cooking, baking, and adding flavor. A stick lasts long and can be frozen for later. Use for toast, sautéing, or baking. Always keep some on hand for easy, tasty meals. Leftover rice or pasta is truly a meal prep lifesaver, making your week so much easier. Make a big batch for quick stir-fries, salads, or casseroles, perfect for busy days or last-minute meals. Toss with veggies and protein for easy, balanced meals anytime. It helps reduce food waste, saves money, and keeps your meals delicious and convenient.